As a parent, our deepest wish is to protect our children from every pain, every sickness, every struggle. Kung pwede lang, tayo na lang ang sumalo ng lahat para sila ay ligtas. Pero the truth is, we cannot shield them from everything. What we can do is give them strength through our love, comfort through our care, and courage through our example. Every trial they face, every sickness they overcome, makes them braver and stronger, lalo na kung alam nilang kasama nila tayo. So instead of fearing what we cannot control, let's focus on what we can give. Presence, prayers, support, and unconditional love. Because no matter how hard life gets, basta kasama nila tayo, they will never feel alone.